In this digital age, having the right tools can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency, whether you are a professional, a hobbyist, or a DIY enthusiast. In this video, we showcase 50 incredible, advanced tools specifically selected to meet your needs. Enjoy Ryobi Pressure Washer. Wet vacuum. How often have you left cleaning tasks unfinished due to hard-to-reach areas? Your solution is the Ryobi Pressure Washer Wet Vacuum with its two-position pivots and 11-inch wide cleaning path. With three high-pressure nozzles, this device easily cleans flat surfaces and hard-to-reach lower areas. Rapid FP222 Fence Pliers. Struggling with installing wire fences around your garden? The Rapid FP222 Fence Pliers provide maximum performance and comfort with its ergonomic soft grips and integrated high-capacity hog ring charger. Pajid Air Piston Rewind Tool. Designed for professional garage brake service technicians, this tool is developed for use with handbrake integrated calipers. It comes with 17 attachments and can be easily used with a magnetic plate adapter. Tiger Wrench. Offering 48 different wrenches in one tool, this power tool allows you to quickly switch between sizes and find the right tool instantly. These tools help you complete your projects more effectively, safely, and professionally. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, these innovative tools will make your tasks easier and more enjoyable.